Phonogram, Lesson 5, the long O sound. Okay, we'll start with the silent E. It's always where we like to start. And our first word we'll look at is joke. The silent E at the end jumps over the K and makes O say its name, joke. The next 3 patterns we'll look at all have 2 vowels going walking. The second one will be the silent and the first one will do the talking, giving a long O sound. We see that in words like toad, we see it in words like toe, my big toe, or my little toe. And we see it in words like soul, there we go. Finally, we have the O sound made by a vowel and a consonant, O-W. We might see that in words like grow or know, which has a silent K. Oftentimes, these patterns will be found in the middle of your word. Not always, this is at the end, but most of the time you'll find those patterns in the middle. And when you have the OW most of the time, you'll find these at the end of your word. This is the long O sound in set 5.